Hey, what's up guys? Today we're checking out something next level. A mechanical keyboard with built-in AI features. Yep, you heard that right. Voice to text, real-time translation, AI shortcuts, all on your keyboard. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or hustling at work, this might be the smartest board that you never know you needed. Let's dive in. So right here guys is the Royal Kludge F99 AI mechanical keyboard. And I must say that when I first got this keyboard, it feels really solid. Durable PVT keycaps, satisfying mechanical switches, and a quiet triple dampening for a smooth sound and feel. No clacking sounds here. Plus, it keeps a full set of keys with a slightly compact layout, so lots of functionality here without taking over your desk. So what actually makes this keyboard different is its AI features, and you need to install a software in order to use that fully. So let me show you that right now.
Alright, now we're looking into the software for our RK F99 AI mechanical keyboard. So actually this keyboard will not work properly for its AI features without this software. So let's go ahead and install it. So we need to go to this website, en.rkgaming.com/download/1. I will leave this link in the description as well. And from here, we need to go to AI keyboard and download the software either for Windows or for Mac for your AI software. So once that is downloaded, you just need to install it, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so you can use this software even actually without the keyboard itself, but your keyboard will give you shortcuts in going through the different types of AI features that they have right here for writing, for PowerPoint, for AI image, and other AI assistants that we have here. So if we close this up, and from the keyboard itself we press the function home, this one will switch us over to AI mode. So if for example I open Notepad here, so if I long press 0 for voice typing, then what the keyboard will do is that it will input our voice and it will transfer it to this notepad that we have right here. So I am now long pressing the 0 in the numpad, and as you can see here in the lower right portion, here is our voice to text. And once I release this 0 button, it will transfer over to our notepad right over here. Okay, and if we try to click some of our other options like for drawing in the numpad, it will open up the software, and we can use this to do our creative drawing, whichever like we want. Any prompts that we use when we do image creation for ChatGPT or any other AI software, we also have it here, so you can just use this. And we also do PowerPoint. We can also do a PowerPoint creation right here. So describe the content that you need to, and then it will create the PowerPoint for you. Pretty neat if you ask me. And we also have writing like we did before, but from here we have other options like long writing, short writing, or meeting notes if you want to. And you also have office document for Excel and all those other good stuff that we can use the AI to create something for us, which will help in our task to make it better and do it faster. Alright, so that's it for the software of the F99 AI mechanical keyboard from Royal Kludge.
So it has AI features. It's actually a hot swappable PCB, so you can swap your switches whenever you want to. But what about gaming? Actually, responses feel solid and stable thanks to the reliable USB-C connectivity right here, and it also gives you extra 2 USB ports right here if you want to use it with your keyboard. So overall, the RK F99 AI mechanical keyboard is a keyboard that's more than just a keyboard. If you're looking to upgrade your setup and your productivity game, I think the RK F99 AI mechanical keyboard is worth taking a look at. Yes, you still need to download and install the software in order to make full use of the AI features of this keyboard, but I think some of you guys will find that worth looking into. So thank you guys for watching, and do drop in the comment section below if you would use the AI features in this RK F99 AI mechanical keyboard. And you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!